Okay, I'm not sure how this is going to work. I'm making a video on a boat. I'm very sad that I have to leave France. So, but here's what this video is about. This video is about resetting scenario analysis. Now, there's some background stuff. Who cares? I hope that it's clear enough that you could just hear at least the video. And it's hopefully a very short video. This is a video simply about if you have a scenario analysis and you want to include these spinner buttons. Well, when you include a spinner button, you better, if it's got 100%, you have to go to another sheet and click on something like a whole number. Okay, and you can go from 0 to this kind. I went from 0 to 200. Alright, and then this actual scenario that you apply will be this one divided by 100. Now, there's a little bit of background noise. I'm going to switch it off for just a minute. Okay, well, we'll see how this works. Now, the real objective of this video is to show you, well, you might have 20 different scenario things like this, and I'd like to just reset them all. So after I push this up or down, the other way, we want to reset everything to 100. Now, if the first thing is to name the ranges, because we're going to use them in a macro. We're going to make a macro that simply says reset, puts everything back to 100. So press Shift Control F3, and then click off of this, so it just takes the names from the right column. Okay, step number 1. Now, then after that, let's make a little macro. Let's just make a blank macro first. Macro 1. Stop the macro, and maybe go up. I hope you have the developer tab implemented. If not, you go to the file menu, and then after the file menu, go to options, customize ribbon, and get it. So whatever, you can figure that one out. So let's edit this macro. Now on this macro, why don't we make it named? Let's rename the macro. Reset. I hope that that's a valid name. Whoops, some people in the background. I'm going to turn it off again. I'm not going to turn it off anymore. If you hear kids in the background, tough shit. So here's what you want to do. The first thing you have to do is you want to use this reset macro from anywhere you'd like. So let's remember what we are. So we'll put base sheet equal active sheet.name. And this business of figuring out where you are, it applies for me to very many of these. How about base address equal active cell dot address. Here it is. Okay, this way and then what we'll do is just take all of our little arrangements. Okay, and we'll put them into the macro. Now, of course, don't worry about this. Put range and open a bracket. Now, don't worry about this little thing here. Just put, excuse me. Can you copy this to here? Oh, no. Can you copy this to here? And then copy this to here. Okay. And then I need a little underscore in them all. Oh, come on. Mail. I'm allowed to swear. Mail. Okay. And, one more. This was kind of a stupid idea, perhaps. We could have used the regular old F3 and got a Nice little list. Maybe we should have even done this whole thing in Excel. Okay. Now put equal 0. How about this? Instead of doing it fancy, we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Okay. So, and you know, of course, this was wrong, as usual. I had a project just now. I shouldn't admit this, but I kept on. I couldn't multiply two things together like 0.32. It's just ridiculous. I was so embarrassed. What the hell's going on? I got lost all the time. Now, after we do this, the next thing you do is you have to. So you might get, well, all you really should do is put. No, I think this is okay. I don't know. Well, I'm going to put this here. You can always put something like days sheet dot select, and then you can put range base address dot. We could put activate or select. Okay, select. Hopefully it will work, and then we'll get back to where we were. So once you do this, you can go and put the put a little button here, and on the button we'll just put reset. Oh, I already had one, didn't I? Okay. And then it just goes. Now if you copy this button, let's say, to this sheet. Okay, I put how we did the. Okay, it comes right back. And if we would, well, whatever. Okay, so you can put this reset. Sensitivity. Okay. And my objective was to make this a short video. And I'm just going to stop it.